Okay, removing a center console on a 2012 Yukon Denali. There's a couple other Suburbans and different years that have the same thing. It's pretty bare basic. You have 4 tabs that go around here, and then you have 2 prongs that go in this way. So when you pull up on this thing, you're going to make sure these doors are open, and do not pull on these little doors here because you will damage them. You just got to keep working and pulling, lifting and pulling gently until you get it out. And once you get it up like this, okay, and you can pull it out, and you can see those forward tabs, as I'll show you here. Those forward tabs, those are easy to break, okay? So you don't want to mess those up. But here's your locking tabs on the side. You have 2 on the back and 2 on each side to lock it in. And basically you just have to keep pulling upward and backwards at the same time to get these out. And then you can access whatever you need to access here, or replace this if you've damaged this somehow. That does happen, but when you want to reinstall it here, sorry about that, if you want to reinstall it there, you will line up the tabs. If you can see here, I don't know if you can see very well. Let me close this door. Okay. You can line up your tabs. There's the tab. See the hole there? That's the tab, and there's one on the other side, tab. And then once you get it in there, then basically you just depress where you know the tabs are. Okay, because there's 1, 2, sorry, bad camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, do not pull on these doors when you raise this up. You're going to pull up on this. You can hear it pop. Pull up, okay? You're gonna pull up to get it loose. It sounds horrible, but that's it. That's once you pop those out, that baby's out, man. And then of course, like I said, just slide it out backwards to get out of those locking forward prongs. And then once again, back in, lock, lock, lock. That one's already locked itself, so pretty easy. And that'll give you access to these if these get messed up. Sometimes there's a little gear over here that gets loose. You just put a little glue on it. That little gear will then be fixed, and then you can have the smooth opening door, you know, that luxury look. Okay. But that's it. That's how you remove a center cup holder console for a 2012 Yukon Denali XL and other Suburbans. Good luck. God bless. Works for me.